Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word unimaginatively. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Unimaginatively, they decided to serve the same menu at their annual company party as they did the previous year. Unimaginatively means displaying a lack of creativity or originality, as seen in the sentence where they made a repetitive, uninteresting choice. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.